Hey everyone, this is Michael Mtritt, International Technology Instructor. And oh shift, the market is changing. Now what are you going to do? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to attend this class on Wednesday, December 14th in Oklahoma City, sponsored by Guaranteed Rate and many other sponsors. This is a day-long session that's going to earn you 4 hours of CE credit. And in the morning session, the Blueprinted Business Building, I'm going to show you how you can go in and set up your 135 business plan, time block effectively, and so much more. This is a class that is essential for anybody who wants to go next level in their business. We'll take our lunch break, then we'll come back and we're going to do 7 ways to improve your business. The record for this workshop, I had a father and son team add 1.4 million back to the bottom line to their business. Only took about 4 months. This is a class you do not want to miss. And then when we're going to wrap up at 2:30, we're going to have a little bit of a mixer. So you're going to have time to mix and mingle with the other agents, get to know all the sponsors. This is a day-long event. The total cost on this is $50. That's it to attend in person. I will see you guys on Wednesday, December 14th in Oklahoma City.